Hello students. Next one, find the value of this. What property I will apply now? That is multiplication property. Sum, so I can write in this form: a square by bc into b square by ca into c square by ab. As it is sum, so we can write in this form. Now this will be cancelled out. bd b square c square. So everything is cancelling. So log 1 means value is 0. By the property of log, its value is 0. Clear? Now if the sum is this type, find the value of log, these are base 2, here base is 4, 256 plus 2 log root over 2 is base and this. Okay. Now see. There is 4, from last we will start. So 256 I have to make power of 4. So it is becoming, you will do the LCM, that will be 256, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 64 4s are. So it is becoming 4 to the power 4. Here 256 means 4 to the power 4 plus here base is root 2, there is 2, so make this is root 2. So I can write in place of 2, I can write root 2 whole square. Clear? Now step by step. This is power, it will come beside log. Now this. Here this power will come here. Clear? This type of sum may come in second unit test. Four to the base 4, same, its value is always 1. Here 4 means there is 2, so 4 means I can write 2 square here and its value is 1 plus 2 into 2 4 and root 2 to the base root 2 value is 1. Again this is power, I can write it here and this plus 4. Then same, base and this number same. So 1 into 1 plus 4, its value is 5. This type of sum you will practice for second unit test. Next one, if the sum is this type. You don't have full exercise, no? Only up to sum number 5. Okay. If MCQ type, if it will come, if log x to the base 10 plus 1 equals to 0. Then find the value of x. Clear? So what we can do? There is 10. So in place of, next step, in place of 1 I can write log 10 to the base 10 equals to 0. Or that is multiplication. So we can write addition, we can write in this form, or log, that is 10x equals to 0. Now we will remove log, so 10 to the power 0 equals to 10x. 10 to the power 0, from laws of indices chapter you know, any non-zero finite quantity to the power 0 means always 1. So it is 1, 10x. So value of x is coming 1 by 10. Clear? Value of x is 1 by 10. Now if it is in this form, solve you don't have. Okay, from your book now I am saying, if the sum is this type, if log 0.25 base is root over x equals to 4, then find the value of x. Again, by the property of log or definition of log, we will remove log by this method. Root x to the power 4 equals to 0.25, or x to the power 4 by 2, root x, and 0.25 means 0.5 whole square. Therefore power same, value of x is coming 0.5. Clear? If it is in this form, if log 1 by 3 to the base x equals to minus, there is minus 1 by 3, then solve for x. Again x to the power, this minus 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3, or this is negative, so I can write in this form. Then cross multiply, then cubing both sides. If you will cube both sides, I am writing here, cubing both sides, then 1 by 3 will be cancelled out. So left hand side becoming, and right hand side this. Therefore value of x is coming 27. Clear? Now next one you will get in next part.